All right, we got it working. What's good, everybody? It's Hornet, and if you're watching this, you probably see me online somewhere. But this right here, this is the big picture. I quit my job, for real, but to chase content creation, videography, and pursuing something like my dreams for myself. I got a few ideas that I'm running with, and you know, I turned my room into a sweet-o studio. Looks kind of crazy right now, but we're working with it. I'm figuring it all out as I go. I'm young, I'm still learning. I don't have everything figured out, but this is the beauty of it. And I know that there's people out there just like me, doubtful, scared to start, not really knowing where to go. I felt that, but I'm doing it anyways. This channel is about my journey, but it's not just about the journey. It's about the discipline, the health, mindset, creativity, fun, some vlogs, some behind the scenes, maybe a tech breakdown or a setup tour. Maybe I just post me walking and thinking out loud. If you rock with that, you're in the right place. Alright, I'm done. See you in the next one. Peace.